Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Wednesday, July 23rd, and this is my PM recap for gold, and we are on the 4-hour time frame to start with. So if I zoom out a little bit more on the 4-hour time frame, I've been talking for a couple weeks now about how this could be a wave B, and we could start a big wave down for wave C, maybe even going down to the $3,000 area, and maybe even a little bit lower. Now we had a big impulsive move down today at the 88%. But there is one really, really important factor that is missing to tell me that this wave B really is over. The break of structure. A big impulsive move down on a Fibonacci level doesn't really mean anything without the break of structure. Now, I kind of hope that it does go down and give us the break of structure because I want to swing trade gold to the downside. But since it hasn't done so, we cannot rule out the possibility of it going back up. So definitely always keep in mind what direction the trend is currently in, and it definitely is still up. Now, going down to the 1 hour time frame, I would currently have my Fibonacci retracement from here to here. If price goes to a Fibonacci retracement level, especially if it makes like a three-way pullback on a little bit of a shorter time frame, then I definitely would take it as a short if it does do so. And if instead it actually just makes higher highs, higher lows, and just keeps on reversing back up, and technically the daily is still up because it didn't break structure, then I guess we better just continue to look for longs. I'm either waiting for the break of structure to confirm that this is the end of a wave B, or I guess the best thing to do is to continue to look for longs at little pullbacks on shorter time frames until we do get a confirmed break of structure. So, anyways, don't forget to check out my website, fxpipcollector.com. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.